Today we're working on a Panasonic baby monitor, and the issue that it's not charging. So we're going to take it apart and see why it's not charging. In order to take it apart, you take the 4 screws on the outside out, take the 1 screw for the battery cover, and you remove the battery. Then you got to pop the cover off. You want to kind of pay attention to the ribbon cable for the display, not to cut it. Over to the left, underneath the hot glue, is the charger port. As you can see here, the pins for the charging port is lifted. So what I needed to do was take and get a flat tip screwdriver and use my hot air soldering station, and I pressed down on top of that metal clip of that and just reheated it up and made the pins go down. As you can see that it's charging now and it's working. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.